So we just come to the old courthouse and police station, and the demolition is certainly underway now. You can just see they started this yesterday, like the main sort of pulling it down. You see the sort of, crane there. You see we've got a bit of movement now, and it's certainly getting a lot of publicity, this one. Everyone's sort of coming to have a bit of a look, because it is certainly a bit of a history in the making. You see the crane now, the very small one, is just moving things back and forwards to their skips. So it looks like what they're doing, they're clearing it out from the top, and they're sort of throwing it into all the skips, all the junk, and probably the sort of wiring, all sorts of things. And you got that crane again, just filling the skips up. But like I said, it's very, very early stages of the demolition. Like I said, they are starting on the court section. It looks like, first of all. So you see there's a chap just up there in the orange high-vis, and you see he's just throwing things to the ground. So rather than sort of carry down, looks like they've taken a few windows out. They're literally throwing it down on the ground. And you see, if anything doesn't go in the skip, that sort of mini crane is certainly gathering all the bits up and popping them in the skips. Like I say, it's very, very early stages. It's just more of a rip out, this one. So we're just near the stairs, and these stairs sort of led all the way to the police station. And I'd imagine once it's obviously been demolished, you know, these stairs, which lead right across the road, you see the huge, great pillars supporting them. And the question is, obviously, these, I'd imagine, will be going as well. And yeah, like I say, certainly things will be changing. So we're just approaching the tower. You can see this like a stream of water running down all the way along Wetherspoons. Like I said, it goes right past the tower. And the reason being, they're doing a lot of digging up. So go and have a quick look and just see exactly what is going on with this one. But like I say, you can see it's flowing like quite a lot. Let's go and have a look. So it looks like there's a scaffolding truck there. Looks like we'll have to cross this. Looks like a stream now. Look at that. And we'll go and see exactly. It must be like sort of possibly like a water main pipe, but look at that. It's certainly gushing down. And like I said, this is just near Harry Ramsden. In fact, it's outside Harry Ramsden's. And so it looks like that possibly a burst pipe of some sort. But there we go. We can still see the roadworks, and you can see the pipe there. So whether it's a burst water main or something has gone on. Just near Harry Ramsden, this one. So there's always something in Blackpool, building work or demolition work or something getting done. So there's never a dull moment. So we just pop near this seafront, and you can see the sea. It's like that sort of calm. It's really nice. The sun's out. It's just like a spring day. It makes you feel alive. And I think a few months' time, you certainly will get the numbers in Blackpool, and all the beach, all these steps will be sort of rampacked with the holidaymakers, tourists, residents. And like I said, we've only got sort of 90 days really. And like I said, it certainly will be transformed. So we just pop very briefly, just near the DWP building. You see work is still carrying on. You see there's even people with the cleaning the windows on there. You see them on the like sort of ropes, shall I say, on the side of the building. There's still plenty of work being sort of, yeah, it looks like they are cleaning the windows. Look at that, just on the other side of the building. But like I said, still plenty of work happening in this one. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a quick walk down King Street, because I think there's some demolition going on there. So it looks like it's all in Blackpool. Lots of demolition work going ahead. I was going to head a little bit more to King Street, because you see all these huts and everything. This is all in regards to the work what is being carried out and it's a bit of a house for them to make their cuppers and discuss the plans, shall I say. But yeah, this is so we're just near Charles Street, and certainly there's lots of building work going on, so we're going to have a bit of a walk around this section. So you can see the road is all closed up. You can see there, road closed. And like I said, all around here, there's masses of work carrying on. So this is just to the side now of the new building, and it's all fenced off. You can see all the materials. There's all sorts going on along here. Look at that building. It's huge, massive, great big building. So yeah, in Blackpool, in Bisbane, there's work carrying on all over the place. And you see all these prefabricated huts. You see where everyone's it's like the nerve centre, shall I say, where everyone sort of has the cuppa and discusses plans and what's going on. And like I said, you got the Blackpool Royal British Legion just on the right hand side. So there's certainly things going on. Let's just pan the camera around to the left, because you can see more demolition work going on just to the left. And this used to be like a Kingswood furniture for office supplies. I'm going to have a quick look at this one. So again, look at that, being ripped out. This is by I&R Demolition. You see a huge a crane has been with that one. And that's certainly going. So there's an awful lot of work going on in Blackpool in redeveloping it. So as that work has just halted for the moment. But look at this. Like I said, half of the building is now completely ripped down. And like I said, certainly things are moving along in Blackpool. There's projects like this all over what's happening. And like I said, we'll have a quick look at some houses that were all boarded up. These being compulsory purchased by the council. And like I said, work is certainly motoring on throughout all of Blackpool. Look at that one. It's like a half a house that were left hanging there while they're demolished the other section. And like I said, all around here, all around the new WP building, King Street, all around, there's work going on. And let's just pan the camera just away from the building site at the moment, and you can see, like I said, all the hotels and the Thai paradise and the massage parlours. All this is down this road. Looks like, you know, most of these now boarded up and gone, ready for the next phase. Let's just whip the camera back round, and like I said, what a huge project is going on within Blackpool. So it's exciting times ahead for Blackpool. So you can see some of these buildings, like they're all boarded up, and look at this one. This has got a sort of smashed window. It's possibly been sort of got at. Look at that one. So that is the end of today's video. So we're going to keep you up to date with all the demolition work. Like I said, there's plenty going on in Blackpool. There's work going on in Bisbane with the TVR garage. There's all sorts. So like I said, it's exciting times, and how the landscape is going to change over the next few years in Blackpool. So until next time, take care. Like I said, we'll keep you up to date with all the latest developments and the latest news in Blackpool, what's going on. And if you haven't already subscribed, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. You will be notified of any upcoming videos. And until next time, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for the sunset, because it's going to be a glorious one today, and we'll end the video on the fantastic sunset. Till next time, take care, and it is a bye from me. Bye bye. And just a few feet away, about sort of 30 feet away from all the demolition, you see more projects going on in Blackpool. Look at this one, and this was underestimated in the in the price for getting it all renovated. So they had to make a few little cutbacks in regards to this one, but you can see work is certainly motoring on, even with this building. So like I said, things are certainly, it's all over Blackpool, work is carrying on. So look at this, absolutely stunning sunset. So I'm going to leave you some fantastic pictures and a little display of this wonderful deep oranges and reds. Just how magnificent does this look?